Suzuki just threw down the gauntlet in the motocross world. The all-new 2027 RMZ 1050 is the biggest, boldest bike they've ever built for the dirt. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're diving deep into whether this machine lives up to the hype. Design. The RMZ 1050 commands attention with its aggressive, race-inspired styling. Suzuki has crafted a beast that looks ready to dominate right out of the gate. The sharp bodywork isn't just for show. It's designed for optimal airflow and rider movement. The slimmed-down frame profile makes transitioning between standing and sitting positions seamless. Available in the iconic Suzuki yellow and a striking blue and black combo, this bike screams performance. The attention to detail, from the integrated number plates to the reinforced skid plate, shows Suzuki means business. Performance. The heart of this machine is a liquid-cooled 1050cc four-stroke engine that delivers explosive power across the entire rev range. Suzuki has engineered this power plant to provide controllable aggression, plenty of punch when you need it, but manageable enough to keep you in control. The updated suspension system features fully adjustable components front and rear, allowing riders to fine-tune for any terrain. Weight distribution has been optimized, making the bike surprisingly nimble despite its size. Features and technology. Suzuki packed this bike with rider-focused technology. The launch control system helps get clean starts, while 3 selectable engine maps let you adapt to changing track conditions instantly. The hydraulic clutch provides consistent feel lap after lap, and the electric start ensures reliability when it counts. Conclusion. The 2027 Suzuki RMZ 1050 sets a new standard for big-bore dirt bikes. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more coverage of the latest bikes. Comment below with your thoughts on this beast and share this video with your riding crew. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.